What is up, my people? So welcome back to today's video. Like you guys see the title already, sniper entries in the forex market. Some of you might wonder, sniper entries here and there, sniper entries here and there, but in today's video I'm going to literally be showing you guys the best strategy to use to catch sniper entries in the forex market. And I'm not even joking, I'm going to show you guys a valid example, a live chart, and a trade I'm on right now on AUD USD. I caught a sniper entry on, so I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to tell you guys how I was able to capitalize on that particular trade, the way I analyze that particular trade using the supply and demand strategy. Supply and demand strategy is like one of the most underrated. You guys know everybody trades ICT, but supply and demand is one of the most effective strategies in the forex industry. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to catch sniper entries in the forex market using the supply and demand strategy. So if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do make sure to subscribe and like this video. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So here you have it. This is currently the chart on AUD USD. You guys can see it, AUD USD. So this is currently the chart on AUD USD, and this was how I was able to catch this sniper entry on AUD USD. I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to explain it to you guys how I was able to do all of this things. So first of all, you don't want to look out for the trend of the market. You guys know I always trade supply and demand, and I like trading according to the trend of the market. So knowing the trend of the market is in a downtrend, obviously this is on the 4-hour time frame, like you guys can see. The trend of the market is in a downtrend. Price has been ranging all the way to the downside, making series of lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. Price finally broke a structure right here, broke a structure to the downside, came all the way to the upside again, mitigated on the supply zone. You guys can see that this particular high wasn't above this particular high, so I consider this to be a mitigation from this zone. Price mitigated this zone, came all the way to the downside, breaking a structure, rallied all the way to the upside again, mitigated, came all the way to the downside, breaking a structure. And here was what I saw. I saw an imbalance. Price created an imbalance, fair value gap at this area. So I knew that the market was going to rally all the way to the upside to fill that particular imbalance. So this was what happened. Price rallied all the way to the upside, almost filled the imbalance, came all the way to the downside. Now retail traders would want to sell from this particular area based off of FOMO, panic. They would want to panic and sell from this particular area. But what the price do? After price rallied all the way to the downside, push back up again to fill the imbalance. You guys can see what happened here. Let me show you guys. You guys can see price came all the way to the upside to fill the imbalance. After filling the imbalance, mitigated on the actual price. You guys can see. Let me show you guys the before. I sent it out to my private Telegram community. You guys can see the before. I gave out the signal. Here was the signal. I said we're going to sell from this particular area, so you guys can see the price. The price was around 0.65935. So I said we were going to sell from this particular price, and let me show you guys what made me stick to that particular analysis, knowing that we're going to sell from that particular price. So you guys can see that after the mitigation that happened there, downside, price mitigation in this particular area. So these are our recent supply zone. So I came down to my Fibonacci retracement tool, rallied from the up all the way to the down, from the top all the way to the down. Like you guys can see my 90.50% was there. 90.50% exactly. So I knew that price was going to reverse from this particular area. I don't trade off of candlestick, waiting for candlestick to do its thing. I trade off of price, knowing when the price is going to reverse, pertaining to what my Fibonacci retracement tool is talking about. So I waited for market to come all the way to this upside. Then here you have it. Here was a sniper entry that happened there. Price came, rallied all the way. Price rallied all the way to the downside, so price is literally making retracement right now, but this particular market is literally going to fall all the way to the downside. So this is actually how I am able to catch all of these sniper entries in the forex market, pertaining to supply and demand concept, Fibonacci retracement tool settings. I know many of you do not have this Fibonacci retracement tool settings as a result of the fact that I only give it out to people in my private community. So if you want to get the settings, join us in the private community. So that'll be all for today, guys. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for sticking around to the very end, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.